Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Technical and Engineering. Whether you're a first-year apprentice, a seasoned journeyman, or a brave DIYer, having the right tools for the job is what separates a clean, professional repair from a complete disaster. Today, we're diving into the absolute essentials, the 20 hand tools every plumber must have. These are the tools I'd rush into a burning building to save. Well, maybe not literally, but you get the idea. We'll cover everything from the basics to a few professional secrets. Stick around, because by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly what you need to build a reliable plumbing toolkit. Let's get started. Number 1. Pipe wrench. First up, the iconic pipe wrench. Pipe wrenches, also known as plumber's wrenches, are essential plumbing tools featuring adjustable, toothed jaws that grip and turn pipes and fittings. You need at least two, one to turn and one to hold, or back up the pipe. I recommend starting with a 14-inch and a 10-inch. They come in various types, such as straight, offset, and end pipe wrenches, and are available in different sizes to accommodate a wide range of pipe diameters. Number 2. Adjustable wrench. An adjustable wrench, also known as a crescent wrench, is a versatile tool commonly used for a wide range of plumbing tasks. An adjustable wrench is ideal for fixture nuts, supply lines, and irregularly sized fasteners. Choose a high-quality 10 or 12-inch wrench with minimal jaw play. They feature a wide jaw opening, a slim head for tight spaces, and are made from durable chrome vanadium steel for corrosion resistance. Number 3. Tongue and groove pliers. Tongue and groove pliers, commonly known as water pump pliers or groove joint pliers, are essential tools for plumbers. They are used for gripping and turning nuts, bolts, and pipes of various sizes. These tools are arguably more versatile than a pipe wrench for smaller jobs. The parallel jaws provide exceptional gripping power without causing any rounding or damage. Number 4. Tubing cutter. A tubing cutter for plumbers is a tool designed to make clean, precise cuts on pipes made from various materials such as copper, brass, or plastic. It is faster, safer, and provides a square end every time. This tool is essential for any copper work. Common types include ratcheting cutters, which are ideal for tight areas, and traditional wheel cutters, which are better suited for more open spaces. Number 5. Hacksaw. A hacksaw is an essential and versatile tool for plumbers, used to cut a variety of materials, including metal, steel, and plastic pipes. Plumbers benefit from using both full-sized hacksaws for general tasks and mini hacksaws for tight, hard-to-reach spaces. Always keep a few spare blades on hand. Bimetal blades are worth the additional cost. Number 6. Pipe and conduit cutter. For cutting PVC and ABS pipes, this ratcheting plastic cutter is a game-changer. It works quickly, leaves a clean edge, and can be operated with one hand in tight spaces. Number 7. Deburring tool and file. Plumbers commonly use two main types of tools for deburring pipes after cutting: a specialized pipe reamer, also called a deburring tool, and a file. A cut is ineffective if it is not properly prepared. This small deburring tool cleans the inside, while a file smooths the outside. This process ensures a perfect seal and prevents turbulence in your water lines. It is a simple step that makes a significant difference. Number 8. Basin wrench. This funky-looking tool, known as a basin wrench, is a specialized plumbing instrument designed for turning nuts in cramped, hard-to-reach areas, such as when installing or removing a faucet under a sink. Its key features are a long shaft with a swiveling head and adjustable jaws that can grip and turn fasteners in tight spaces where other tools cannot fit. It's a lifesaver for faucet and disposal installations. It may feel awkward at first, but you'll quickly come to appreciate it. Number 9. Spud wrench. A plumber's spud wrench is a specialized tool designed for use on specific plumbing components, such as spud nuts in toilets, sink strainer lock nuts, drain nuts, and flush valve nuts. Plumber-specific spud wrenches feature smooth, narrow jaws to prevent marring or scratching polished chrome or other delicate finishes. It's much better than fumbling with a crescent wrench down there. Number 10. Hex key set, Allen wrenches. For a plumber's hex key set, choose one made from durable chrome vanadium or S2 alloy steel. Ensure it includes a comprehensive range of both SAE and metric sizes and features such as long arm and ball end designs for enhanced reach and accessibility. Many faucets, cartridges, and appliances use hex screws. A quality T-handle set provides significantly more torque than the small Alkys typically included in the box. Number 11. Screwdrivers. Plumbers use a variety of screwdrivers, including flathead, Phillips head, and Torx types, to secure and remove screws on fixtures, panels, and pipes. A good set should include a variety of sizes and types to accommodate the different screws encountered on the job. For tough jobs or when more torque is needed, a Phillips head screwdriver is often preferred over a flathead. Additionally, a chisel driver can be used for tasks requiring greater force, such as striking the tool to loosen a stuck screw. Number 12. Plumber's putty knife or scraper. For cleaning old putty, wax, or gasket material, a stiff putty knife is essential. It protects your good screwdrivers and effectively cleans the surface, preparing it for a new, leak-free seal. A plumber can use a standard, stiff-bladed stainless steel putty knife, approximately 1.5 to 2 inches wide, to apply and scrape plumber's putty. The stainless steel blade resists rust and corrosion caused by exposure to water and other elements commonly encountered in plumbing work. Number 13. Propane torch kit. For soldering copper, you need heat. A basic propane or MAP gas torch kit is the standard tool for plumbers. Always use a spark igniter instead of a lighter. Save your eyebrows. Number 14. Flux and flux brush. Solder will not flow properly without flux. The role of flux is to eliminate oxidation and act as a protective barrier, facilitating the formation of a solid, leak-free connection. This small acid flux brush is the ideal tool for applying a thin, even coat of flux inside your fittings. Number 15. Tube bender. If you work with soft copper or PX supply lines, using a tube bender is essential. It creates precise curves and angles in pipes, typically made of copper or stainless steel, preventing kinking, collapsing, or any compromise to their structural integrity. This ensures proper water flow and results in a professional-looking installation. Number 16. Tape measure. Plumbers require durable, highly visible, and often waterproof measuring tapes that include features such as strong magnetic hooks and clear, double-sided markings to effectively handle diverse and frequently wet job site conditions. Always measure twice and cut once. A 25-foot tape measure is ideal for most plumbing jobs. Number 17. Spirit level. A spirit level for plumbers is a specialized tool designed with features that improve the efficiency of installing pipes and fixtures. These features include printed markings for common plumbing measurements and notches for marking reference points. A level ensures that your fixtures and pipes are properly installed and have a professional appearance. It can also indicate various slopes, such as 1% and 2%, which are crucial for pipework. Avoid relying solely on visual estimation. Number 18. Plumber's tape, Teflon tape, and pipe dope. For sealing threaded joints, you need a thread sealant such as plumber's tape, PTFE tape, and pipe dope, pipe joint compound. I use both. A few wraps of tape for plastic fittings and a thin layer of pipe dope for a stronger seal on metal pipes, especially gas lines. Many plumbers use both together for maximum effectiveness. It is important to know when to use each. Number 19. Flashlight or headlamp. You will spend half of your work life in dark cabinets and basements. The best lighting for a plumber is one that is hands-free, like a headlamp, long-lasting, water-resistant, and has a strong, flexible beam. This is a huge deal. Number 20. Plunger and drain auger, hand snake. And finally, the classics. A plunger uses air pressure to dislodge blockages, while a drain auger, or snake, physically breaks up or pulls out clogs with a flexible cable. A good quality plunger with a flange is your first line of defense. And for those tougher clogs, a simple hand-crank drain auger can clear a drain without the need for harsh chemicals or an expensive machine call-out. These 20 essential hand tools will get you ready for almost any plumbing job, whether you want to become a professional plumber or just save money by fixing your own home. What did I miss? What is the one thing in your toolkit that you can't live without? Please tell me in the comments below. Please hit the like button and subscribe to get more plumbing tips, tricks, and tutorials if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep those pipes clear. I'll see you in the next one.